Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can hide or show notification badges on home screen apps when focus mode or do not disturb is turned on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen you want to tap on settings. In settings, let's go down and tap on focus. Then we're going to go down and tap on do not disturb. In do not disturb, tap on home screen. Then tap on hide notification badges and turn it on. Now if it is on, then you can see that on my home screen here. At the moment on my apps I do have badges displayed on the top corner of the apps. Now if I turn on do not disturb, so if I turn on do not disturb, then you can see the app's icon badges has now been hidden. And if I turn off do not disturb, you can see the icon badges will reappear. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. So you can choose to hide notification badges when you are in focus mode or not. And that's it. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.